I'm Sarah from EdTech. Today, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to create an assignment in Microsoft Teams with one of your class notebook pages. It's super simple to take advantage of both of these features in Teams. Make one of your class notebook pages an assignment in Microsoft Teams when you want to track when your students have finished the assignment and when you want to have the ability to give that assignment a grade. If you're not interested in either of those options, you can just distribute a page in Class Notebook to your students and then review it manually. But for now, let's get started in creating an assignment with a Class Notebook page by first creating that page that you're going to want to assign. First, you guys have to make sure that you're logged into your Microsoft EDU account so that you have access to Class Notebook and the Assignments tab in Teams. So I'm logged into my account here, and we're going to begin by creating a page in our Class Notebook that we'll assign to our students later. To do that, in the General channel, we'll go to the Class Notebook pivot at the top. When you click into it, it will prompt you to set up your Class Notebook. I've already done this in a previous video, so if you guys need to do this as well, you can check out that video in the description below. But as you can see, my Class Notebook is already set up, so we can just go into the navigation panel and add a page. So I'm going to add my page in the Teacher Only section. So this way my students don't have access to it until I assign the page. So let's add a page called Math Pop Quiz 1. Okay, perfect. And in this page, I'm going to insert a PDF so that students can write right on top of this PDF. So to do that, I will just go into the Insert tab at the top and click File and Insert File as a printout. And then you just need to locate the file and insert it into the page. If you want to set this PDF as a background, so it's super easy for students to draw on top of this PDF or add text boxes, you'll have to use the Onenote desktop application. So I'm going to go into my page, and when we right-click onto the PDF, we can set this picture as a background. So now students can easily type all over the PDF. And when you go back into Teams, it will have already made that change. Okay, so that is how you guys create a page, and now we need to assign this page. Now that the page is created, the next step is to create the assignment. So back in Teams, we will click on the Assignments tab at the top and create a brand new assignment. So if you guys need a refresher on creating and grading assignments, you can check out the video linked below that tells you all about it. Okay, so in our assignment, let's add some details. So this is a math pop quiz, and we can say, please fill out the worksheet. And now for adding the page to the assignment. So to do this, we will add a resource. So in the resources, you can click into the Class Notebook tab. And here you need to locate where you put that page that we just created. So I put ours in the Teacher Only section, and it is a page in this section, Math Pop Quiz 1. So we can attach it, and you can see that students are now able to edit their own copy of this page. And we need to pick where we want to place it in the students' notebooks. So let's put this into quizzes, and we will say done. Now we can add in any other assignment information. So I will quickly just say it's worth 100 points, and I'm going to assign it to all of my students. And when all the information is completed, you guys can just click Assign. Now that you've created the assignment with one of your Class Notebook pages, let's take a look at the student side to see how they will edit this assignment. So I have a student page pulled up here, and I have gotten a notification that my teacher has created a new assignment. So if I just click on the View Assignment link in the General channel, I will be taken directly to that assignment. And then when I click on the Class Notebook page, I'll be taken directly to the Class Notebook tab in Teams, and the PDF will pop up. So I can begin my editing straight away. So let's add some text and some drawings on this page. And when all of the editing is complete, you can just close the Class Notebook page, and it's updated in your Teams. So as a student, that's all I have to do, but don't forget to click Turn In, and then my teacher can give me a grade. Back to the teacher, you can now view this assignment and grade it and give feedback just like you would any other assignment. Or you can go through the Class Notebook tab at the top and review student work and go through each individual notebook. However, you won't have the opportunity to give these assignments a grade. So it is recommended to keep to that assignments tab so that you can view the student work and give it a grade at the same time. And that is how you can easily create an assignment with one of your Class Notebook pages in Microsoft Teams. If you guys have any questions or comments on how to take full advantage of Microsoft Teams while online teaching, we would love to help out. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you can hit subscribe and share it with your friends. See you guys soon.